Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get into it. I am doing a single review on Yaqeen, Asdaaf. See, I don't even know how to pronounce it, but yeah, I need to do a single review on this. I have a little bit of a story. It's very quick, but yeah, let's get right into it. You all know how we do around here. Now, is this fragrance versatile? I feel like this fragrance can be versatile, okay? And why I think that, let's get right into the occasion. So I see that you can wear this like during a date night. I feel like you can also wear this like a casual day, right? If you wanted to do a brunch with the girlfriends, I feel like this is a great fragrance to wear in that setting. And also if you're running around doing errands, I feel like this would also be a really good quick, fast go, spray, and go. And you still smell amazing, right? I feel like this fragrance can be used in all different types of settings, whether you're at work, church, play, wherever the occasion is. I feel like this is quite a goer. So I would absolutely think that this is versatile. And those are the occasions that I can see you wearing this fragrance to. Now, packaging. Oh my goodness, this packaging, I love it. I'm not even gonna hold you. I love this down. It reminds me of the Memo fragrances, right? Just kind of how this setting is. This has the gold plated type of thing, and I love the heaviness, and it's weighted. I love the glass bottle. It just is amazing in packaging. I love the florals to it. I love that it's gold. I love that you can see your juice in this. Yeah, I absolutely adore the packaging. What do you think? Like, it has black, white, gold. I mean, those colors. Oh, absolutely a luxury put together type of fragrance bottle, right? But I will say with packaging, you know, it's good. But the cap, it's the cap. The cap is very plasticky. So the cap, not so much. They didn't put their money on that. But I still feel like the cap gives you this design. I still think it fits the aesthetic of the bottles. But yeah, the cap could have some work. Now, pricing. Did you say pricing? Listen, the price is the best part, okay? Because I have seen this fragrance for less than $20. I've seen this at $18.99. I've seen this at $17.99. Like, the price is pricing. So yeah, under $20. Is there something that we're talking about right here, right now? Yeah, no. Packaging, pricing, A1. Now, does this fragrance lean more feminine or masculine? I feel like this fragrance definitely leans more feminine in my opinion. I feel like a man, if this profile or these notes really spark your interest, maybe. But I really think it pulls more feminine. It just gives me like beautiful lady type of vibes. But again, you can wear what you want, but that's just kind of my take on it. Now, this fragrance was launched in 2021, so it's been here for some years. But let's get into the notes, shall we? Yeah, let's. So notes, we have bergamot, tangerine, cardamom, pepper, orange, ylang ylang, jasmine, vanilla, rose. We have white musk, we have sandalwood, and amber, okay? So now that we got all those deets out the way, let's get into my full thoughts on this fragrance. Now, this fragrance is beautiful. I absolutely love this fragrance. I do have just a little story, right? You all know I have been rocking and rolling with Chanel Gabrielle. Well, some of you all. If you're new, just know I've been rocking and rolling with Gabrielle Chanel. I've been wearing it a lot. When I say rocking and rolling, you wearing it a lot. You rolling in it, you're rocking in it, you doing the most, okay? So I have been on this very dedicated focus on Gabrielle Chanel, right? And so I wore this, right? Of course, I change up my fragrance all the time, but I wore this, doused myself down in, okay, dripping down. So I went into work and my boss was like, oh, you smell really beautiful. You smell great. You wearing that Chanel? And I was like, no. And in my mind, I'm like, don't think that you know me, and don't think that you know the fragrances that I'm wearing, right? I'm the fragrance guru. I'm the fragrance girl around here, okay? Nobody smells better than me, okay? In the room, I mean, y'all definitely probably smell very good out there. But I'm talking about in my bubble, I am the fragrance guru. You probably are in your own space, and I always smell good, right? I put some work in it, and I take a shower. Anyway, she was like, oh, is that the Chanel and Gabrielle that you've been wearing? I was like, no, this is Yaqeen. And she was like, huh? What? I said, it's a Middle Eastern fragrance. She said, it sounds like that fragrance is so expensive, above my budget. And I was like, actually, it's under $20. And she was like, can you take a picture of it? Can you give it to me? Right? So for me, this fragrance, absolutely, and I had to like smell myself. I'm like, okay, I can see, because I don't think you know me, but I can see why you think that this gives you kind of Chanel Gabrielle. This is not a dupe, but it gives you that type of pretty floral lady, like, right, with all the notes. Now, the pepper in this gives it a little spice, and sometimes I do not like pepper in fragrances. Like, when I see pepper, I'm like, what kind of pepper? Black pepper? Like the actual black pepper? Why? I'm all, why they put that in there? But in this fragrance, it is so good. The spiciness, the floral that's in this, it is amazing. You would love this citrus jasmine fragrance, okay? If you're looking for a more put together, but less expensive, right? You're not trying to spend the coins of all coins. You're not trying to spend $400. You're like, yeah, no, but I want to smell like I spent $400. This is one of those fragrances that is definitely a good coin saver, but you smell luxury. You smell amazing. You smell like you spent $400. This is so good. Okay, I highly would recommend if you want to try out something that is more like pretty lady, ladylike, classy lady, work, brunch girl. Try Yaqeen. I would absolutely hit that up. Now, if you don't like a citrus white floral fragrance, maybe this is not for you. Right? Like, I think like those are the notes that really stand out to me the most, and maybe you won't vibe with this, right? But listen, you know how your sis is. So if your sis is liking something and really enjoying it, yeah, good. And this is moderate projection. Like, the longevity in this, I would say, is moderate. I wouldn't say this is going to last you a lifetime. Just because it's a Middle Eastern fragrance don't mean it's going to last you days out of days after days. It does last longer on your clothes. I feel like it might stick to you 24 hours on your clothes. But if you're dousing your body, I feel like this gives you a really good 6 to 8 hours, like your whole work day, which is still good. I feel like you can even get whiffs of it after work. Like, I really do feel like this lasts. But the projection of it, like people smelling it, your sillage in the world, I feel like this is very moderate. I feel like people need to be close to your bubble, right? Maybe not all up on you, right? They don't need to be all up in your bubble, but if they walk past you, they'll smell it, right? If you are clocking in, they'll smell it if you walk past, right? Like those type of things. Like, I don't feel like someone that's far, far away that was like out on the street, coming, they're not going to smell you like in that space that they're walking in, kind of like with Guidance does all the time to me. I smell guidance everywhere. I smelled guidance when I was random, but I smelled guidance when I was in Orlando at the Epic Park. Like, I can smell guidance all day, right? And y'all wearing guidance at Epic at an amusement park? I didn't know we was wearing guidance at an amusement park. I didn't get the memo, but okay. Clearly, we are wearing guidance at the amusement park. Anyway, back to this. I don't think like this is, guidance is different. She a different beast. But this is not going to give you the guidance vibe. But if somebody walks past you, absolutely, they will smell you. They will compliment you. This is so good, especially for the price. So highly would recommend you get your coins, because I don't even think you could test this out. So get your coins. If those notes smell like something that you would love, get your coins on this and splurge. Well, shoot, nowadays, heck yeah, $20 is a splurge. But splurge on Yaqeen. I believe it will be a beautiful feminine fragrance, in my opinion, for you and your wardrobe. Well, that's all, fam, for my full review on Yaqeen. What are your thoughts? Do you have this? Have you heard of this fragrance? I would love to know. What do you think? What do you think about the things that I've just said about this fragrance? Are you interested? Are you not interested? Would this be your vibe? Not your vibe? Let me know. Spill the tea all in the comment section, sis. All right. Well, fam, make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoy this content. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you are more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.